Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to keep your PC or laptop running cool in Windows 10 or 11. I'll be showing you in Windows 11, but the tips will work in Windows 10 as well. The method might just be slightly different. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the methods. Method 1 to keep your PC or laptop cool is to focus on the physical elements of your setup. Firstly, make sure your fans are working and that they are free from dust or debris. It's also a good idea to regularly clean your fans and remove dust from any of the filters and vents to maximize the airflow in the case. Make sure your PC is turned off though before doing this. Speaking of airflow, you could rearrange your fan setup if you're comfortable in doing so, or even add another fan if your case has the space. If you have a laptop, you could buy a stand that allows for airflow under the device. The positioning of your PC or laptop is also important. Make sure fresh air can get to it easily, so avoid placing it in confined spaces with limited airflow. Try to also avoid using your device when your room is at its hottest as well. Those are the majority of the physical methods you can do. We'll now move on to some of the tips on your device within Windows. The first method within Windows is to change the power settings. We might be able to change to a power saver mode, which could help keep your device running cooler. Search for Control Panel in the search bar, and when it opens, select System and Security, and then Power Options. In here, see if there is a power plan that will use less power, such as Power Saver, or if you were set to High Performance, try Balanced. Next, click on the option called Choose When to Turn Off the Display from the list on the left side. In here, you can customize the timings for the display and the PC itself for when it will turn off automatically. Try reducing these times if you want, and this will help keep your PC cool by turning itself or the display off when you are away. The next method is to monitor your PC temperatures. You can skip this if you like, but I do have a separate video that shows you how to get a simple piece of software that will allow you to check on each component's temperature and your fan speeds. This can help show you the programs that cause high rises in temperature or if your fans are working at their correct speed. Click the card on screen now to watch that video. Next, make sure you lower the load on your processor or graphics card when you can. This means closing any programs when you aren't using them. If you open the Task Manager by searching for it, and then go to the Processes tab, have a look for programs that are using a high percentage of the CPU, and close them if you can. Don't end the task though for any programs you don't recognize, as they might be system services. Whilst in the Task Manager, click on the Startup tab. If you're in Windows 11, it has the speedometer icon. This will show you all the apps that might run automatically when you start your PC and then stay running in the background. Have a look down the list, and if you see any apps that are currently enabled but you know you don't use, then right click on them and choose Disable. For a slightly more complex method, we can limit your processor's usage to help keep it cool. However, I'd only recommend doing this if you are confident in changing PC settings or if your PC is overheating regularly. To do this, we need to head back to the Control Panel. Within here, choose System and Security and then Power Options again. This time, click on Change Plan Settings next to your current power plan and then select Change Advanced Power Settings. This should open a new window. Within here, scroll down and find Processor Power Management and expand this section. Now expand Maximum Processor State, and then you can change the percentage number to something lower than 100%. For example, you could set it to 90%. This will limit the processor to 90% and could help lower temperatures, but you will lose some performance. Click on OK or Apply, and if this causes any problems, feel free to follow the same method to change it back to 100%. The final method is a simple thing to remember, and that is to try and allow for time for your PC or laptop to cool down between intensive tasks. You might see a slight boost in performance with this as well, especially if you are doing shorter tasks like video rendering. And so those are my methods to help keep your PC or laptop running cool in Windows 10 or 11. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to improve the sound quality on your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.